Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to use Notion. So the plan is that I'll give you access to this Notion page. So if you haven't already, please download Notion from notion.so. So this is the app, so I'm going to be using this for managing all the projects. And yeah, the only thing you need to know is to go to this page, content conveyor belt, and what I will do is I will share this page so you don't have to yeah, I'll copy this page. So this is the space that you have, and I'm just sharing this page. I'll make sure to put it into thing as well, and also to go to so this is the Notion page. And essentially what's going to happen is, so this is just research, so the VA, she'll be doing research for different things. I'll be sort of coming up with some ideas, and then when they're ready for scripting, they'll go in here. So what I'd like to do is like 4 scripts just to get started, so we have a bit of a backlog, and then slowly reduce that, and then reduce that down to 2 scripts a week. But essentially these are the scripts, so whenever scripts are ready for review, so I'm a script writer, Danica will come in here and she can just look at these, and then like she has all the kind of details, has the products and things like that. And in order to get the thing, actually what we need to do is we need to fill in the files thing, so yeah, we'll make sure this is filled in going forwards. But all the scripts that are ready will be, if you go into, this is the Google Drive, I've got this folder called CCB, and if you just go into production and go into, let me just sort this by name, script review. So these are all the ones that are ready to start writing. And then when they're writing, I've given you all access to this, by the way. So when they have written this, so once Danica, our script writer, picks up a script, it should move into here. So that way I know it's scripting, and then when it's ready for script review, just put it into here. And also, every time you move something, put a note in Slack just to say you've done that. You can just use the code number, you don't have to write the whole thing. It's probably easier, just say script 29 ready for review. So yeah, bung that into Slack, then I can review it. If there's any issues, I'll move it back to scripting, and I'll let Danica know to update it. In Slack, I'll say script 29 is ready for, needs a few fixes. It might come back into script review. Then once it's happy, I'll move it to voiceover, and then Giselle, the VA, can then create the voiceover. Once the voiceover is ready, it can then move into here, which is video editing. Once it's video editing, Art can then start creating the video, and when it needs to be reviewed, just plonk it in there, plonk it into video review, and then I can review it if there's any issues. I can move it back. Otherwise, if it's okay, it would then go back to Giselle in here. I'm ready for video production, which basically means putting up to YouTube, tagging, all of this sort of stuff, and then it gets published. So I'm hoping this will make things a bit easier. I'm just moving this back here. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll provide a link to the Notion page, and also a link to Google Drive where everything is. And for Art, yeah, whenever you need the video production, you just need to go into here, and there'll be a folder sort of created for you once it's ready. And that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know.